I love Christmas and I love hot sauce, so why not? Full list of ingredients will be down below. Check it out. Use whatever chilies you like. My favourite is Scotch bonnet. Once the sugar's dissolved, you want to add in the cranberries. And I learnt that when you boil cranberries, they pop, so you might want to put the lid on. I wanted my hot sauce to be on the slightly thicker side, more like a ketchup consistency, so I let it boil down a bit and then I blended everything up. I wanted my sauce to have a smoother consistency, so I strained it. Yes, I know, this was quite tedious, but we make do with what we got. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and the full recipe is down below.